Understanding Fence Off, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, fence off. This phrase can be a bit tricky to understand at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how and when to use it. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase, fence off. It is a phrasal verb, which means it's a verb made up of a main verb and one or more helping words. In this case, our main verb is fence, and our helping word is off. When we put them together, we get a phrase with a unique meaning. A fence is a barrier, usually made of wood or metal, that encloses an area. The word off, in this context, gives a sense of separation or distance. So, when we fence off an area, we are creating a barrier to separate it from the surrounding space. Now, let's look at some examples to see how we can use fence off in sentences. 1. The construction workers needed to fence off the area to ensure safety. 2. After the garden was planted, they decided to fence off the area to protect it from animals. 3. The playground is fenced off to keep the children inside a safe zone. In these examples, fence off is used to show that an area has been enclosed with a barrier for a specific reason, such as safety or protection. Fence off is commonly used in contexts where there is a need to create a safe or restricted area. This can be for construction sites, private property, gardens or agricultural areas, playgrounds or schools. Understanding the context can help you better grasp why and how the phrase is being used. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use the phrase, fence off. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of this phrase for you, and you feel more confident using it in your own English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to try using fence off in your sentences. Until next time, happy learning!